Hello friends, today I will be discussing about regulation of insulin secretion. Secretion of insulin from beta cells is regulated by chemical mechanism, hormonal mechanism and neural mechanism of insulin regulation. Chemical mechanism. It is mainly done by glucose entry into the cells. Other nutrients like amino acids, particularly arginine and leucine, fatty acids and ketone bodies are also involved in chemical regulation of insulin secretion. Glucose induces a brief pulse of insulin output within 2 minutes. Glucose and other nutrients are more effective when given orally than intravenously because they generate chemical signals called incretins from the gut, which act directly on the beta cells, thereby causing immediate release of insulin. Incretins are nothing but the gut hormones, particularly glucagon-like peptide, secretin, somatostatin, vasoactive peptide and etc. It is interesting to note that insulin's output is by two phases, the rapid phase and the delayed phase. The chemical mechanism causes the release of insulin through the rapid phase of insulin secretion. Hormonal regulation. Intra-islet paracrine interaction between the hormones produced by the islets of Langerhans is responsible for the hormonal regulation of insulin regulation. Insulin secretion is inhibited by somatostatin secreted by delta cells, glucagon secreted from the alpha cells, as well as amylin, which is secreted from the beta cells of islets of Langerhans. Neuronal regulation. Islets of Langerhans are richly innervated by both adrenergic and cholinergic nerves. Alpha 2 adrenergic receptors inhibit insulin release, and beta 2 adrenergic receptors and vagal nerve enhance insulin release. Any condition that activates sympathetic branch of ANS such as hypoxia, hypoglycemia, hypothermia suppresses the secretion of insulin by stimulation of alpha 2 adrenergic receptors. This is a summary of factors regulating insulin secretion. Insulin secretion is increased by certain amino acids like leucine and arginine, fatty acids, hyperglycemia and hyperkalemia. It is interesting to note that hyperkalemia increases both insulin and aldosterone secretion. Intestinal hormones like glucagon-like peptide, gastrin, secretin, VIP and cholecystokinin. Sympathetic stimulation via beta-2 receptors, vagal stimulation via muscarinic receptors. Beta-2 agonists, sulfonylureas and maglutinides are the drugs increasing insulin secretion. Hypoglycemia and hypokalemia reduce insulin secretion. Hormones, somatostatin and amylin also decrease insulin secretion. Sympathetic stimulation via alpha-2 receptors, alpha-2 agonists, phenytoin, calcium blockers and diuretics also reduce insulin secretion. So if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the further input. Thank you.